Hey Bonham Bears, I am so glad to be back. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. My name is Miss Cochran again, and I will be reading this book all week long with you. I'm so excited. It's one of my favorite books. The title of this book is called Fun with Socks. And the children show us how to create something fun with socks. Look at the things the children are holding. What do you notice? What are these? Those are socks. What's this? We call that yarn. And what are these? Buttons. They're going to use these things to make something new. Have you ever used a sock to make something new? What do you think you could make with socks? All right, are you ready to get started? The author of the story is Susan Scott, and it's photographed by Robert Reynolds. That means he took the pictures and helped put them into this story for us. Fun with Socks. Fun with Socks by Susan Scott, photographed by Robert Reynolds. Look at me. I have some socks. Socks. Look at me. I have some buttons. There are some buttons she is holding. Look at me. I have some yarn. What is she holding? Yarn. Look at me. I have some felt. So we've seen the children have socks, buttons, yarn, and this soft material called felt. What do you think they're making with some of these things? What do you think they could make? Look at me. I have some scissors. Here's some scissors he's holding. Look at me. I have some glue. Now they have some tools too. They have scissors and glue. Do you still think they could make something new? What do you think they are making? Or can you imagine something else they could be creating? We have some socks, some buttons, some yarn, some felt, some scissors, and some glue. Wow, that's a long list of items they have. I wonder what they're going to do with all of these things. What are you predicting? What could they do with all of these things? Do you notice anything in the pictures? What do you think they could be making? We can make some puppets. Wow, look at all the different puppets they have created. Some have long hair, some have long tongues, some have a smile or a mouth. All of those puppets are different. They even used yarn and felt on their puppets. Here is a note from the author. Susan Scott says, I like all kinds of puppets, but sock puppets are my favorites. Wow, wasn't that such an awesome story today? So, you can make a lot of different things with puppets, can't you? Do you guys think you could make a puppet? Here is my sock. What could I do with this sock? What are some materials I would need? If I don't have yarn, could I use paper? Hi, I'm Saki. I love school. I am so glad to be here today. Guys, do you think you could help me a little bit? I need some eyes. I need a nose. And maybe a tongue would be great too. You ready to help me create a sock puppet? So if you create a sock puppet, what are some materials that you would need? Do you remember in the story? Some materials we could use. Let's look back. I have some buttons. I have some socks. I have some buttons. I have some yarn. And I have some felt. Remember, that's that soft material. We call that felt. We can use some tools like scissors and glue to create something. So you're going to take this sock and I want you to create something new with it, and then you can share it with us. All right, thanks for reading my story with me today. Again, the title of the story was Fun with Socks. Did you hear that sound? Socks. The letter S makes that sound right there. Socks. All right, until tomorrow. I'll see you later. Bye, guys. Thanks for joining me today.